She said in real life.
It's good to see you.
I'll get this down. You got the name.
So tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Cheryl Brown. I'm a 3-time breast cancer survivor. I was diagnosed at the age of 24, which the cancer came back 3 times every 7 years.
Well, my name is Shay. I am a breast cancer survivor, and I'm gonna take a clap right here because that's something to definitely be proud of. I am a mother, I am a friend, I am a supporter, and just love life.
Welcome. We are so excited that you guys are joining us. You ladies are joining us. And you know, I'll give you a little bit of background. For those who don't know me, I am a 2-time overcomer of triple negative breast cancer. I was diagnosed under the age of 40, and I asked when I went for my orientation, I asked them, well, what could I do to help myself, right? I know I'm going to go through treatment, but what can I do to help myself? And they told me nothing. And that was very triggering for me because I'm like, before we're ever diagnosed with this disease, we hear eat healthy, do your exercise to be preventative. Now you tell me now that you got it, oh, well, there's nothing you can do, just wait for the other shoe to fall off the foot. And that didn't sit well with me, and I felt like either you can feed cancer or you can fight it. So I started doing a lot of research, and the first thing I did is I came home, I got a box, I got rid of every single thing in my house. I went and bought me an Omega juicer and a Vitamix, those 2 pieces of equipment that's you're going to be playing with this weekend. Those are the 2 things that I bought because I knew I had to go to work. I got rid of all of the skincare products, hair care products, and everything because I knew I needed to also focus on what I was putting on my skin and on my body as well as what I was doing in my body. And so after going through the journey, the first time around, I really wanted to take the information that I was learning and educate myself and share it with other women. So this year is actually our 6th year doing this, and we just want to say thank you to one of our sponsors, our major sponsor, our title sponsor, Sigvaris, for helping to make this happen. You know, it's hard work that we do, and so this year we said, you know, we're bringing back, we want to partner with another organization who's doing fabulous work in the community, who's pretty much doing, whose mission is aligned with us, and who has the same heart as us. And so we reached out to April and said, April, you want to do this with us? And April responded, sure.
Yes. I echo so many things that Tia just said. For those who don't know, I'm also a breast cancer survivor. I was diagnosed with H.O.P.E cancer at the age of 34. No history in my family of cancer. And as far as I knew, I was healthy. You know, I was just overcoming the barriers of being a teenage mom, getting ready to empty the nest, and next thing you know, here comes cancer. We know it's close to the holiday season. You could be doing many other things, but you chose to be here with us today. We don't take it lightly. It is our hope and prayer that you leave here re-energized and that your hope is restored. Whatever you guys are going through, that we really hope that your hope is restored upon being here today. This retreat is not only for you guys, but it's also for us too.
I believe right now my mind, body, and soul has been restored. And I say that because of the fact that I came wanting to relax. I came wanting to learn yoga. I came wanting to get a clean eating habit in my body. I wanted to be able to start eating properly. I know there's certain things that I wasn't supposed to put in my body because I love steak, but I was still doing it. Now with the sisterhood that I gained here and the accountability that I have with friendships that I knew that walking in the same walk that I'm walking for as life is concerned, as being a cancer survivor, thriver, it's a good feeling. So I learned so much here, and the retreat was so educational, so impacting, so helpful. It allowed me to understand the different type of greens, what I should, how to make smoothies, how to make healthy meals, as well as teaching me how to care for myself.
It means lifelong relationships. I have made many friends, and we all need someone, and it's really easy to talk and communicate with people that have been through what you have been through and walked the walk that you've walked. And we're very supportive of each other. It has just been so amazing to put a group of women this size together, and everybody has just jived so well. And just had an awesome time, and we came being our authentic self and just having a good time. And I think this sisterhood will continue past this weekend retreat. We will keep in touch, we will support each other, we will be there for each other. So this is not just a retreat of a weekend, this is a retreat of a lifetime.